Well, an absolutely gross day for me, especially on a week where I didn't really trade this week because of hunting, and then yesterday was a break-even day, just kind of trying to get back in the swing of things. Into the Friday, nasty red, gave back a little bit, and that's just annoying to me. NFP Friday as well. Markets were moving a lot. So we're going to go and recap the trades taken today on the stream. These are done by 20, 50K Apex funded accounts. You can use code TBM for the best discount always. Let's go and dive into today's recap. Yo, good morning. How we doing, chat? Alrighty. Well, welcome back to Friday. NFP Friday, I believe, yeah. We had non-farm payroll come out at 7:30. And then other than that, if you're a crude oil trader, you got rig counts at noon, consumer credit at 1 o'clock, and then some Fed heads from 9:15 to noon. No other big news, though, other than NFP, which we have basically already retraced. So we still have some topside here, but if we can get like above 180 to 200, then that 280 overnight highs looks real nice. So, and when we're looking at the charts here, we are near the overnight lows. We're near yesterday's value area low. We're near 20K psych level. If we can catch a bid off the open, we're watching for 20,100. Yesterday's point of control. After that, VWAP at 21,050. After that, 180s to 200, right around the NFP open. And if we can get through that, really watching for, 280s value area high for a full rotation. I don't know if that's going to come. We'll see. I mean, everything's been pretty heavy the last while. Everything's been pretty heavy. So 875's got a swing low, and we're kind of cracking through that 20K level. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see kind of how we rotate or hold 20K to 850 more than anything. Got the markets opening in a minute. Again, no real news after NFP that dropped earlier today. Yeah, I was asked on this hunting trip how I define a good day. And I was like, honestly, a good day is a day that I'm following everything I'm supposed to do, and I'm leaving feeling like I was very disciplined, and I want that to be today too. Let's leave feeling disciplined, take things that we are excited to take, wait for confluence, be patient for setups, don't rush the process. Let's have a great day. And here comes VWAP. All right, a strong close through VWAP. If we were to close 170, 180 in the next 4 minutes, it's crazy. I mean, that 60-point push was in 40 seconds. Yeah, we closed up 170, 180, then really looking at NFP highs, my opinion. See if we do it or not. 110 also looks interesting. I always wait the first 15 minutes. If you're brand new here, I always wait the first 15 minutes to trade. Just a personal rule, nothing more than that. Let the volatility kind of shake out a little bit. There's that 170 area that I was just talking about. If we close up here, I think it's pretty telling. Any solid push through VWAP like that usually has some continuation, but we'll see. All right, candle's closing, and I am green lighted to trade after this. Nice little slap. 27 is interesting for sure. It was to give us a little flush off of the 140 area. I take that off. That's not close to being filled. It'd be 50 points off now. Looks like we run this. See what Delta's doing. Yeah, trying. Pushing the volume at what? 20. Yeah, there. 24 and a half. Ran those wicks. It's hard to get in on this. I've wanted to be long ever since I got green lighted to trade. It's just not dipping as much as I wanted to dip to get in. I think I missed both by 10 points. I think this was a red line algo, and this was pretty damn close to it also. Hanging out that volume that was put in from NFP at 24. It's been a 200-point bounce, rally off the opening low, basically. We got point of control up here now. Snap the meme line. Seems very aggressive, but maybe not. I don't know. Trying to catch some buyers coming through. Do this to the 50% of the retrace of the wick. If it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I got filled long. Instant stop out. 10 points on the slap. To me, I mean, sellers ended up coming on there, but 50% retrace after a nice slap with a nice tight hammer. We got VWAP right below. That's the one downside there, but sitting on volume too, I kind of thought we'd catch a little bit of a push. See what happens with VWAP. Top of the hour is coming up as well in a minute, basically. That was a very quick stop out. Not going to complain about a quick stop out, to be honest. Rather get it over with. That initial entry I had before I pulled it up would have been filled right now. And the stop was also 10 points on that one at the prior lows, which I would have just gotten stopped out. So either way, either option there, I'm getting stopped out. Nice slap. Down into 200s. It's a 160 point rotation off the highs. Pretty quickly. 10 minutes or so. 160 points. 5.5 minutes. 160 points, basically. That's a little, You know what I mean? A little E. ICT is not my dad, no. But he is a friend. Wick test. Ugh. And then it just runs. Honestly, though, I don't really know if I like this wick test right at VWAP like this. In the middle of some chop. Not my favorite, but it ended up running just straight to target. Alright, here's the 80 level. I mean, it's a cheap trade down here off 86. Buyers are just kind of slowly rolling over and dying. But at the end of the day, like, we've bounced off this spot twice pretty hard. What do we do it again? Don't know. And we got the wick test up here at much higher. I mean, again, the same exact trade I took up here where it feels like the right thing to do. I just don't know if it actually is. A quick stab, try it. Yeah, it's just nothing happening there. I'm killing that. I am done for the day. That is not it for your boy. I don't mind giving back days, but on weeks where I just don't really trade, this week I was on a hunting trip all week, then didn't really trade yesterday, broke even. That's just the worst.